There's a specific look in someone's eyes when they've survived what most people couldn't imagine. It's not sadness. It's not anger. It's something far more complex. Researchers at King's College London discovered that people who endure severe psychological trauma develop what they call threat sensitivity recalibration. Their brain literally rewires how it processes danger. But here's what nobody talks about: this rewiring doesn't just affect fear. It changes how these individuals experience joy, trust, connection, and even their sense of time itself. The question is, what actually happens inside a mind that's been pushed beyond its breaking point? When psychologists study trauma survivors, they notice something unexpected. These aren't people who've simply bounced back or moved on. According to research published in the Journal of Traumatic Stress, individuals with complex trauma histories show a phenomenon called hypervigilance paradox. Their nervous system operates on constant high alert, yet they appear remarkably calm on the surface. One clinical psychologist described it as living with one foot on the gas and one foot on the brake simultaneously. But the transformation goes deeper. Dr. Bessel van der Kolk's groundbreaking work revealed that chronic adversity fundamentally alters the brain's hippocampus, the region responsible for memory processing. This creates what survivors describe as feeling older than their years, not metaphorically, but neurologically. Their brain has processed decades of stress response in compressed time. They develop an almost sixth sense for reading microexpressions, detecting dishonesty, and anticipating outcomes before others even see patterns forming. Here's where it gets fascinating. A 2019 study from Yale University found that people who've endured significant hardship develop what researchers call adversity-activated development. Unlike resilience, which is bouncing back, this is fundamental evolution. These individuals don't return to their previous baseline. They can't. Their entire framework for understanding reality has been rebuilt from scratch. They become what one therapist termed fluent in darkness. Not pessimistic, but unflinchingly realistic. Small talk feels impossible because they've seen behind life's curtain. They recognize performative kindness instantly. They're drawn to depth, authenticity, raw truth, not because they're cynical, but because surface-level interaction feels like wasting the limited time they know they have. Yet paradoxically, research from the American Psychological Association shows these same individuals often possess extraordinary compassion. Having navigated their own hell, they develop what's called empathic accuracy, the ability to sense others' pain with unusual precision. They become the friend who knows you're struggling before you say a word. The colleague who notices when someone's smile doesn't reach their eyes. This isn't a weakness. It's hard-won wisdom. They've learned that survival isn't about being the strongest, it's about being the most adaptable, the most observant, the most honest about what's real. Their scars aren't wounds anymore. They're maps. Proof that the human spirit doesn't just endure. It transforms. It becomes something entirely new. Something unbreakable in ways that can't be taught, only earned.